Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate salon and spa appointment booking on WhatsApp. So let's suppose I am running a salon and spa business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of these queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process and I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, whenever I am going to receive a new message from this user, automatically the reply will be sent to them, whatever they have asked for or whatever booking they are asking me for. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to see how we can automate salon and spa appointment booking on WhatsApp. And for this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. And you will see that as soon as we complete this, all the details will be added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet, which I'll be collecting while making this booking. And also the tag will be added to this particular contact where I'm doing this chat. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message like, "Hey, I want to book appointment." I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply here. And here it is. Instantly I have received this reply. "Hi, what service would you like to book?" Haircut, facial, spa, massage. I'll go with this haircut. Let's wait for the next message. "Great choice. Please share your preferred date for the appointment." Let's go with 20th September 2025. Let's wait for the next reply. "Please help us know your name." So I'm going to send my name. I'm going to send this name and you will see that I'm going to receive the next reply. "Who would you like to book?" So if I open this list, I'm going to click on this open. We have this any stylist, senior stylist, junior stylist. I'll go with this junior stylist and I'm going to send this message and you will see that I'm going to receive this message. "Your appointment is set for this date with us. Please confirm." So if I click on this confirm, I'm going to receive the confirmation message. You can see that this is a custom message which I have received. And if I click on this reschedule, I will be asked the same questions again. So I have to enter the date, I have to submit my name and then they will again ask me for the confirmation. Now over here, as soon as I've done this appointment, you will see that all the details like the date and the name of this person is added to my spreadsheet. I'm going to open it. And here you can see that we have added the name and the date. This was the same name and this was the same date which we have added. So I'm going to open my inbox and you can see that we have added a tag of upcoming appointment to this contact. You can see this is the same contact. We have just done this chat. So this is how this chatbot is going to work. It is automatically going to add the tag, take all the details from this chat to my Google Sheet spreadsheet or any other CRM. And now if you want to learn how we can create this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a WhatsApp chatbot to automate the spa and salon booking appointment. For this, I'm going to open Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. You will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. Now over here you can add your WhatsApp number using this button WhatsApp Connect and connect your WhatsApp, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can do this, then please check out the link given in the description. Now over here on the left hand side you can see all the features which we have. We have inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. We have created a detailed video on all of these features, and you can check out these videos in the playlist given on our YouTube channel. Now to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to move towards flow. So on the left hand side itself, we have this option of flows. I will be opening this flows now. I have landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, and active flows. If you want to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this. Here we have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So first we have this box of trigger. In the trigger event, we can see all these events. Keyword regex match, user start conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, and the tag assigned. So here I am going to select my trigger event as keyword and the regex match, and with the help of this event, I am going to activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot so it starts sending the messages. To trigger this, I have to also add the keyword and the regex. So here I'm going to enter the keywords like book, appointment, spa, and something like that. You can add as many as keywords as you like, but your keyword is going to get activated only when this particular keyword is present in the user's first message. So if they send a message like I want to book an appointment for the spa, only then this chatbot is going to get triggered. But also we have this regex option. So regex is like a smart search tool which helps chatbot identify different patterns of words and variables. I'm going to enter a pattern here. And you have to make sure that you enter the pattern in a similar way if you are using this regex. So regex is going to activate or trigger any of the message. So if I send a hey, it is going to send me the message. It is not going to look for the keywords like in the keywords this event. It is going to activate or trigger on any message. So we do not have to list out all the keywords, possible keywords, whatever my user will type. So that's why I'm going to use the regex here. You can either use the keyword, either use the regex, or you can use the both. So here we are done with adding this trigger event and adding all the triggers, and now we have to send the message. So as soon as the chatbot got triggered, we send this message: what service would you like to book? So how I was able to send this? For that I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type as text button. Now if you want to send the image, video, audio, or file, you can select the media. If you want to create the list, like we will be creating this list further in this chatbot, and you want to send something and you have a huge list, you can use this. Then if you want a single product, multi-product, you can use this button. If you want to send a AI generated message, you can use this. And if you want to use a pre-designed message format, then you can use this template option. I'm going to use this text button, and then I'm going to enter my text here like, hi, what service would you like to book? Now here I'm going to provide the button. I'm going to provide 3 options and I'm going to provide 3 buttons. If you have many options, you can simply click on this add content and select the content type as list and create the items in the list. We will be learning how we can create this list. Now over here I'm going to provide the options like, so here the first button is haircut, second is facial, third is spa massage. Now here I am going to ask the question so that whenever someone clicks on any of the message or the button, I am going to send them the question. Okay, great choice. Then what is your preferred date? What is your name? And I'm going to ask the question like that. So to ask the question, I'm going to go towards the actions on the left hand side and drag and drop this ask question, and I'm going to create this question. Now on the left hand side, you can see this messages and actions. I've already explained you all the messages, and we have this action. We can set the condition, we can ask the address, question, location, we can ask them to upload any media like the image, video, audio, document. We can set the custom field, we can add the tag to particular users that these are the users for this, these are the users for this, and then we can send all this data to my Google Sheet, spreadsheet, or any other CRM. I can use this single AI message. I can assign an AI assistant to my this WhatsApp chatbot, and my AI assistant will handle all the chats. You can use this delay, or you can connect one flow to another flow. Now here I'm going to create the questions and I'm going to complete this entire flow. So I'll complete this once and we'll get back once the flow is completed. I have completed the flow here. I have asked the question, please tell me your preferred date, and then I have selected the contact custom field, and then I have selected the format. Now whenever you are asking a question, please make sure that you have created a contact custom field. So with the help of this contact custom field, we will be able to send the custom messages and save the details sent by the users. So here I have asked the question and they are going to answer me. So their answer is going to get saved with the help of this contact custom field. So I have created a question of this date. I have created a contact custom field for this date. I have asked the question, what is your name? And I have created a contact custom field for this name. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards the settings and then we have to open this contact custom field. But before that, please make sure that you save your flow. If you are opening any feature in a similar tab, same tab, please make sure that you save this flow. If you do not save the flow, all the messages will be lost. So I'm going to open this contact custom field in a new tab. And here I have landed towards this contact custom field. You can see all the fields which I have created. To create a new field, you simply need to click on this add more field. You have to name the field and you have to simply save this. Now how you can create this custom messages. So here you see that while the booking was confirmed, I have sent this custom message. So I was able to do this with the help of contact custom field only. I copied this. This is the contact custom field for full name. I copied this contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then I simply paste it to any message. Suppose this is the message. So I pasted it over here, and then this particular thing created a dynamic field and it changed whenever the user sent me their name or their details with that particular dollar. So here I have asked two questions. You can create the contact custom field like that. Select the contact custom field, select the format. For the date question, I have selected the format as date. For the name question, I have selected the format as text, and then finally I have created this list. Now how you can create this list, we will go towards this messages, we will drag and drop this list. I have entered my question in this body field, and then I have clicked on this add section, and from here I get this option of add items. So I kept adding the items, and in the title I have added the options which I am going to provide. So here I have added the question. You can see you can add the question in this body, and then I have simply click on add section, and then I have added the title, and then if you want you can enter the description. Like you can, any stylist, it is written over here, you can provide the name. Senior stylist, you can provide the name in the description if you want, and the junior stylist. So I have provided 3 titles, and then I have created the connection between these 3 circles with this one. So your appointment is set for this date. Do you confirm this? If they confirm this, I am going to send them the message, final message, and if they are going to reschedule this, I have built the connection between this circle and this circle, the first question, and I am going to ask the same questions again. Now here you see that as soon as I ask for the confirmation, if they click on this confirm, I am going to add the tag. If I open my inbox here, I am going to open the inbox in a new tab. So this was our chat. This was the latest chat which we had, and you see that we have automatically added the tag. I'm going to remove this tag for now, and I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go back towards my flow. Whenever we are going to click on this confirm, the tag will be automatically assigned, and then I have used this API request. So to add the tag, I have simply drag and drop this add tag. I have selected the tag which I've created, and then I've simply saved this. So the tag will be added, and in in this API request, I've drag and drop this API request. I've clicked on this webhook URL and this box appeared in front of me, from where I have selected the method as post, and then I have opened my Pabbly Connect workflow. I'm going to click on all Pabbly apps. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect. I'm going to select the workflow, and then the box will appear in front of me. These two boxes will appear in front of me. In the trigger application, I've selected it as webhook by Pabbly, and then I have copied this webhook URL and I've simply pasted this webhook URL over here, and then I've created the key. So I have created two keys for the name and for the date. So I have added the contact custom field. For the date, I have added the date, and for the name I have added the full name. I have clicked on this test, and as soon as I click on the test data was sent to my workflow over here, and then in the next action application which I have taken as Google Sheet, I have mapped these details, and that helped me create these fields as dynamic. I have mapped these details. So after this, I have saved this. Please do not forget to save this. If you do not save this, your data will not be sent to Google Sheets. I'm going to open this box which I have already created. So I have created two keys as I've told you. I've clicked on the send test. I have sent this data. I have saved this. And then finally, after sending this data, I send this final message: your booking is confirmed, the name, the date, looking forward to seeing you. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot, and for the last time we are going to test this. But before we test this, let's name this to automate salon and spa appointment booking on WhatsApp, and then I'm going to save this. Please do not forget to save this, otherwise your flow will be lost. And also make sure that your flow is active. If you do not keep your flow active, the messages won't be sent. So we have kept the flow active and we have saved this. I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a message like, I'm going to send this message: hi, please book appointment for me. And I've received this message. Let's go with the spa massage, and it is going to ask me the date. I'm going to write the date as 2nd October 2025. I'm going to send this, and it is going to ask me the name. So I'm going to write the name as test user. I'm going to send this message, and let's wait for the reply. Open list. I will go with this any stylist. I'm going to send this, and it is going to ask me, do you want to confirm this? So your appointment is set for this date. Please confirm. I'm going to confirm, and I'm going to receive the next message: your booking is confirmed, test user for 20th October 2025. I'm quickly going to open my inbox and check whether the tag has been added or not. And here it is, we have added a tag. This is the latest conversation we had. I'm going to open my spreadsheet now, and you can see that we have added the details. Also, the name was test user and the date was 2nd October 2025. So this is how we have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. We have sent the data, we have assigned the tag. I hope this was clear to you, and if you have any doubts or comments, you can comment down the video below. So I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.